Welcome. In this video, we will walk you through the discussions feature in your SCL app, where you can ask questions, join conversations, and stay connected with your teachers. Once you tap Discussions, you will see all your subject boards. Each board belongs to one of your classes and shows the teacher's name and how many posts are waiting for you. A red badge means you have unread messages. Tap Open Discussions on any board to get started. Inside a board, you can see all the posts from your teacher. Posts come in three types: questions, where your teacher asks something for the class to answer; discussions, for open class conversations; and announcements, for important updates. Use the filter tabs at the top to quickly find unread posts or sort by type. A green solved badge means a question already has a best answer. Tap any post to open the full thread. You will see the teacher's question, followed by all student replies. The blue highlighted card is the best answer, selected by your teacher from all the responses. To join the conversation, tap the reply box at the bottom, type your answer, and tap the send button. Your reply appears instantly in the thread. If your teacher allows it, you can also start your own topic. Tap the blue Compose button at the bottom of the board. You will see a new topic form where you choose the type, add a title, include any extra details, and even attach a file if needed. Once you tap Post Topic, your question goes to your teacher for review. It will appear in the board as soon as they approve it. You will also receive live notifications whenever someone replies in a thread you are part of. Just tap Open on the notification to jump straight into the conversation. That is all you need to know to get the most out of discussions. Stay curious, keep asking questions, and make your voice heard.